At RetireMax, we want the planning process to be fast, fun, and mobile, but also 100% accurate. The Tax Analysis tab is a simplified 1040 tax analysis designed to enlighten your clients on how the tax system really works in an easy-to-understand format. This tab is best at illustrating the two specific things that most clients care about. The first is the current tax bracket, and the second is the approximate federal tax refund. The current paycheck information carries over from the data page. This tab is not meant to be used for tax preparation or for tax advice. The client's tax advisor should be consulted for such information. This tab is simply designed to illustrate a client's approximate tax bracket and approximate refund, which should always be verified by the client's most recent federal tax return. If there's additional miscellaneous income, you can input that under the Additional Annual Income header. Also, if additional federal taxes are paid besides those included in the paycheck from the data input page, they can also be entered in this section. It's always good to validate with the client through their most recent 1040 federal tax return, the federal refund amount shown under the federal tax refund header. Under the federal tax rates header, the federal tax brackets are listed. The info button in the header line lists all of the tax brackets and shows the dollar amount to the next tax bracket, which helps the client know when they would cross into the next tax bracket. Under the annualized tax strategy header, a number can be inputted into the retirement savings line, which illustrates that effect on the federal taxes. As an example, when $10,000 is entered, it shows how much federal taxes would be saved. In this example, it would be $1,200. A 403(b) case at $18,000 would save $2,160. As mentioned earlier, this tab isn't here to replace a tax professional. It's used to help someone understand their tax trajectory, discover how to move out of a bracket, keep from jumping into the next one, or how much refund they have to potentially redirect. Use this tab as a springboard into the My Paycheck tab, and you'll start to differentiate yourself from your competitors.